This video I'm going to show you my best top 3 all-time favorite free traffic sources for 2019. So in 2018 I used a lot of traffic sources, and these are absolutely by far the 3 that has surfaced for 2019 as being my best top 3 producing free traffic sources that I'm going to be using in 2019. So I'm going to quickly run through them. I've done some videos before about these traffic sources, so this is just to highlight the top 3 free traffic sources that I found after using many traffic sources in 2018 to be the best and most producing traffic sites that I've used for 2018 that I'll continue to use for 2019. So to top the list, I'm going to go in the order in which that I prefer them, that I thought they were much responses and gave me some great traffic and a great place to advertise. So my first top 3 pick, the number 1 place that I love for 2018 that I will continue to use in 2019, is a traffic source called Lootclick. Now, the reason I like Lootclick is because it is fast. It is one of the fastest traffic sources that I've used in 2018 that allowed me to build my list and get signups and have activity in my business. And the platform is really simple to use. It's a traffic exchange where you click for credits and you could use those credits to get advertisement. But the reason I like this is you're able to use those credits to get guaranteed clicks. And not many places can guarantee that, they'll have people looking at your website and actually clicking on your links. But this site, you get guaranteed clicks. So that's one of the reasons I love it. So if you're looking for that kind of traffic where you're looking for something that's fairly quick, Lootclick is going to be your best bet in 2019 to get those fast traffic that you actually get guaranteed clicks onto your links. In other traffic exchanges, some other traffic exchanges, people have the option of whether to click on your links or not. With this, it's a guaranteed click system that you're able to get clicks that are guaranteed. So highly recommend, and that's why it topped my list as the number 1 traffic source that I'll be using in 2019. Now the next traffic source on my list, because I want to be nice and quick here, is Ibo Toolbox. Now this place is always been in my arsenal of traffic sources. It's another free traffic source as well. They do, unlike Lootclick, Lootclick does not have any paid features to it. It's totally 100% free. That's another feature I like about it. It's totally free. So if I, have people in my downline, I could always refer them to Lootclick to get traffic. So if you're building a downline, this is definitely one that should be in your arsenal, so you could actually pass it on to your downline because it is absolutely 100% free. Now, Ibo Toolbox, it is also a free traffic source. You could get, oh my goodness, lots of ways to market on this platform. There's going to be banner ads, and I'm just going to refresh this. There's going to be banner ads. There's going to be text ads. There's just tons of things you're able to do on Ibo Toolbox. So what I suggest people do is, get to know Ibo Toolbox and find out which one you resonate with in terms of the kind of advertisement you want to do on here, and just do that one thing, because you could do banner ads, text ads, press releases. They have things that integrate with Facebook. They have things that integrate with videos. If you could name something to do with traffic, Ibo Toolbox probably have a platform for it. I particularly use it for the banner ads and the text ads. That's my specialty on this site. I like to use these big banner ads at the top here, and then I like to there's usually some text ads at the sides, and there's some banner ads that goes down here. You can see some text ads here. I like to use that as well. And you can earn free credits on here, so you can use it for free, or if you don't have the time to kind of accumulate credits like in some free platforms, you just don't have the time to click for those credits, there's definitely an option where you could get paid for credits. The beautiful thing I like about this is there's a lot of discounts on here, so you can get credits for very discounted price, and that's what I wait for. When it goes on a discount, that's when I snatch up those points, so I don't have to, surf for the credits, and then I just use them, and that makes my business kind of automated. So this tops my list as the number 2 best traffic source of 2018 that I've used, that I will continue to use in 2019. Now, the third free traffic source on my list of the best traffic sources to use for 2019 is a traffic source called Herculist. Now, Herculist is one of those tried and tested, proven kind of traffic sources. As you see, it's been around since 1998. That's a long time. And you know, when a traffic source has been around that long, that means it has traction. That means it has seasoned veterans who have known about this place, who are using it. So that's why I love it. It has a lot of savvy marketers on here. That means, you know, when you advertise on this platform and you're getting, you know, results and you're getting leads from this platform, you're getting people who understand business, right? You're getting people who are entrepreneurial minded, who knows about this kind of stuff, who once you get them in your business, you don't have to baby them because they already know about marketing. They're not new to this entire world of online marketing. So that's why I love this platform. It's a platform that is free, and it also has some, you know, paid options to it if you want it as well. If you want to automate your business, you could utilize that paid side of it to, you know, automate your business. I mean, I do both of them because I do like to free up my time, and that allows me to free up my time when I automate my business with the paid version of it. But this is an absolute free marketing platform that you could also refer to your downline. If you're building a downline, they will definitely get some value out of this because it's a free system that they come in and market on every day. So that's my top 3 list of 2019 here. I've used these traffic sources way back, and they still resurface as being great traffic sources that I continue to use, and that's why they've topped my top 3 list of free traffic sources that I'll be using in 2019. So if you are interested in these traffic sources, there'll be links below the video here that you could click on and definitely go check out those traffic sources.